what to do when you get your Cash App card. So you applied for a Cash App card from the Cash App, right? And using the app, and then you have received your Cash App card, and now you're wondering what you can do with it. Well, there are a lot of things that you can do, but to do those all of things, first of all, what you have to do is you just activate your card. So to activate your Cash App card, you simply open up Cash App, make sure that you're logged into your account, then just tap on the wallet option that you can find over there. Once you hit the wallet button over there, you can just select the card that you have received, and as soon as you tap on your card, there you'll find the option called Activate Cash Card. So all you have to do is just hit the activate button to activate your Cash App card, and then your card will be activated, which you can use to make payments online or offline, even on Cash App ATMs. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.